reasons, or should I say things that you should not do on a motorcycle. And I'm not talking about like standing up on a motorcycle or or performing acrobats on a motorcycle. I mean things that everybody normally does, but it's bad thing to do. Now, I'm not a patron saint, neither am I perfect, so obviously there are things that I tend to do, but I know it's not supposed to, something that you're not supposed to do, but sometimes it's things that is a necessity. Like for example, do not speed. Why should you not speed? Financially reasons, for not getting a summons, not getting a fine, not getting demerit points. Those are common sense things. Secondly, if you speed and you get into an accident and you have and it's your fault that you speed, then there's nothing else you can use as a defense. Number two, and if you notice, I try not to have like 5 things that you should not do, and or 5 things that, or 3 things you should do, and I prefer not to put numerical value because 2 things. Why am I saying that? And I said that, and I said 2 things. One reason is I need to concentrate on where I'm riding and what the fuck all these cars are doing, because this is Australia. Australia has the worst fucked up drivers in the world. Seriously. So, and the last couple of accidents I had have always been cars. Cars fucking ran at the back of me, turn out in front of me, never look, and all fuck up shit. So that's the main reasons why I rather not concentrate on this is number what, blah blah blah, and all that stuff. Where if I forgot what the number is, or that item that I want to talk about is, then so be it. But yeah, number 1 is speeding. The second one I would have to say is, do not, if you can, don't lane split, because as I said, there's a lot of fucked up drivers in this country and a lot of petty people in this country as well. So if you lane split, and I've experienced a few times before, they are fucking prick petty piece of shit and try to cut you off. And what's the point? Why do you need to do that? Number 3 is, let me concentrate on this. Number 3 would be, what was it? Number 3 would be, do not get distracted by pretty women in cars. I have got distracted before, and let's just say that it can be quite distracting. Bad thing to do, man. Number 4, never ever put yourself in a scenario where you are struggling for petrol. If you think that the distance is going to be somewhat acceptable, but you do not know. If you think that, hey, if you need to put petrol, just go and put petrol. Don't try and stinge and try and creep it to as best you can to get a full tank and all that stuff, because more often than not, you go fuck yourself. You will go and fuck yourself. I think I'll just leave 5 for now, but the 5th thing is, always remember never to do one thing, which is try and fight for the space on the road. Number 1, you are a motorcycle, you're not a car. Number 2, drivers in this country are fucking idiots, fucking racist and abusive piece of shit. Why do that and risk your own safety? You know what I mean? So don't worry about what other people do, just worry about what you do. And yeah, so that's my my tips. And I'm fucking hungry right now. Gotta get me some food. But as I said, do what you do. Thanks for watching.